Pink Lips Smoker's Cream. After the 5 years research and successful clinical trials by our Thailand-based manufacturing R&D team, we are confident on our product quality and efficacy. Realigns Pharmaceuticals tested ingredients and approved the product from Food and Drug Administration Thailand. Pink Lips Cream, Lip Lightening, product is prepared with all natural and safe ingredients. Our formula helps to increase blood circulation by massaging 10 to 20 seconds daily or more for best result, with moisturizing effects and restore dark and damaged lips permanently. Some herbs and massage therapy helps to restore all negative effects of using chemical-based lipsticks reactions, nicotine such as blood vessels to shrink and narrow, and starving skin of oxygen and the nutrients it needs to remain healthy and supple. And we are certified GMP Goods Manufacturing Practice Company. To order, please visit our website delameria.com.